So, good afternoon, attorney. So, today I'm going to do the blinded recitations, but before that, I'm going to let you check my ears and how I put the blindfold in my eyes. So, Article 13 of the Revised Penal Code, the following are mitigating circumstances. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter were all the requisite necessary to justify or exempt from criminal liability to the respected case are not attended. That the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceed in accordance with the provision of Article 80, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave an act that is committed, that the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately precedes the act, that the act committed in immediate visitation of grave offense to the one committing the felony, his spouse, ascendants, or relative by affinity with the same degree, that of have acted upon an impulse so powerful as natural to produce passion or obfuscation, that a person voluntarily surrendered himself to the person in authority or his agent, that he voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of evidence for the prosecution, that the offended party is deaf and dumb or blind, or otherwise he suffers some physical defects which does restrain the means of his action, defense, or communication with his well-being. In such illness of the offender which diminish the exercise the will of his in which diminish the exercise of the will power of the offender without whoever depriving him from the consequence of his acts. And finally, any circumstances of similar nature analog to those above mentioned. So that's all, attorney. Thank you.